catch a vibe. Let's take a ride. Cause I'm feeling nice. I'm feeling right. So hold on.
Welcome back, y'all, to my first ever DIY. Everything that I use in the video, I will list in the description bar below. I'm going to show you an easy way to reupholster your bar stool. You want to start off by taking off your seat cover. I use 91% alcohol to clean off the chair of any dust or dirt. Before I started the spray painting process, I used 2 spray paint bottles to achieve the desired consistency on the chair. And this is what I have so far. I did let it sit overnight. Here is the easy part and the fun part. I got this fabric from Joannes fabric. I did measure it to the appropriate size for the seat cover. And then you just start cutting. And we about to make this real easy because we're going to use a glue gun, baby. No staple gun. I didn't have one, so I'm using a hot glue gun. So make sure that you secure your seat cover down just in case somebody want to put their ass in your chair. Now here I am just reattaching the seat to the chair, and this is basically the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's quick and easy. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video on your social media. Leave me a comment below if you want to see future videos like this, and bye.
Catch a vibe. Let's take a ride. Cause I'm feeling nice. I'm feeling right.